This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your city. Copy the saves and mods folders to a safe location so you can undo changes. Once done, obtain the Night mod package that matches your Theotown version. Compatibility matters. Next, move the downloaded, zip or extracted folder into the game's mods directory so the game can read it. Make sure file names remain intact and do not overwrite core assets. This preserves the original daytime visuals while letting the mod load night assets. You now adjust the mod so it behaves as a true night mode. Open the mod's config file and set the night range, for example, 21:00 to 05:00, so the shader only applies overnight. Then tweak ambient light and sky color hex values to control darkness and hue, lower ambient light for deeper night, higher for twilight. Finally, make sure the night mod is prioritized ahead of other visual mods so it overrides conflicting assets. These precise edits control how you finish by restarting Theotown so the game loads the new mod and assets. Do not skip this step. Once restarted, jump to an evening hour with the time slider or create a city set to 21:00 to verify lighting, street lamps, and sky color. If night looks off, make sure versions match and clear the game's cache. If problems persist, restore your backup and reapply changes more carefully. This single troubleshooting tip, restore and retry, saves time and preserves your cities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.